Hello. Today I am going to be unboxing my mystery switches order from Novel Keys. As you can see, they're still in stock at the moment, and there are 15 USD. KL Gateron, JWK Texi, TTC are the only options for manufacturers, and it seems like apparently they bought stock specific for this, rather than in the other runs when they were just unbought stock. This is the actual stuff. So this supposedly could, I don't know. They kind of set up the rates for this stuff, so it could theoretically be worse odds. However, in the past one, it was just unbought stuff. So, it really depends on how you kind of think of it. Uh, However, let's give it a little opening. I only bought two. I didn't want to. I realize, I feel like now I should have bought more, but it's a gamble anyways. We'll see how these go. I hope the goal is to not get clickies. If I get one clicky, okay. If I get two clickies, oh god. I want at least one usable switch. Not that I could use in like a build that I would type on, But yeah, we're gonna be taking up the first bag. I'm not gonna look at them. So this is a little piece of paper that has my order. I got two mystery switches. That's and then in this top bag, we're gonna take it out real quick, and we have. Oh, what are these? They're TTCs. And they have like their gray body, red stem. We're gonna look this up. We're gonna look up TTC switch. Actually, we're gonna go onto Novel Keys Switch website, and maybe they have them already up here. There's silica gel in here, but oh, nothing here. TTC switches. We're just gonna take a little bit of a look. Oh, key switch. Do they got this listed up here? Gold red. Interesting. Pro? It looks exactly like this. Linear. Okay, life. Okay, 43 operating force. What is the total force? I don't know. Okay, interesting. Is just whatever, 4.45 grams. I don't know if that's interesting. I could use these, yeah. How much switches are these though? I have no idea. 70? Do I have another bag to compare? Maybe 90. I don't know. This bag is smaller, so maybe 70. Yeah. Let's. I don't know. This is 90, so it kind of looks less than 90. So I'm guessing 70. Alright. Awesome. TTC Red Pros. Gold red. Okay, that makes sense. Factory lubrication. And then the second page is, whoa, okay, what are these? These look like, are these cherry browns? They're TTCs, actually. They're TTC. Are these going to be the TTC Pro Browns? A lot of people seem to be getting TTT switches. Oh, and they have a light on them. Oh, no. They look like the Pro Browns as well. But actually, not the Pro Browns. They look like the regular TTC Browns. Do they have a regular TTC Brown? Because these are not gray as these, I realized. So let's just take a look here. Let's take a look. Oh, looks like here silent brown. That's the silent brown. This is not silent. So okay, maybe I missed it. TTC L series. TTC Brown. Uh, it only has silent brown. Is there not actual TTC brown? Maybe this is the Pro Brown. I can't really tell on the Switch itself, but yeah. I don't know if it looks like that. It only has silent brown on the website, so I'm a little bit confused. When you could actually hear this. So it's not silent. Upstroke, downstroke. Yeah. Okay, 2 TTC switches. I don't think I actually have a TTC switch. So these come in handy. They look like enough. Enough. So that's good. At least, you know, they can fill a board. Oh, they're 90. They're 90. These are 90 of each. So that's pretty cool. Alright. I'm satisfied. Oh, they come with a novelty sticker. As with all the other novelty orders, I guess. We got Ron over here. Hell yeah. I think it's Ron, right? Yeah, Ron. Awesome. No clickies. That's a win for me. And I got some linear and I got a tactile. I don't actually have any browns. So this is... I kind of do... I have been interested in light tactiles, actually. So this is actually useful for me. It's something that I could... Something that I can see value of. This is something that I will definitely be trying out sometime. It's just at a point that... like these are going to be low priority in terms of like lubing though. You feel me? So that's the only thing that's going to be the issue. But yeah, overall not too bad. 30. Let's see how much. Let's see actually how much money it costed me because I'm international. So we're gonna actually see the total cost here. I'm not gonna order confirmed. It was a total 54 USD. So let's see what that would be. That's 73 Canadian dollars, which is going to be like 37 Canadian dollars, which for that price, I theoretically could be buying a little bit, maybe something I would be more interested in for 90 switches. Like I could get some MMDs, for example, or some other cheapo switch. But, you know, gambling. It is what it is, right? What can you do? I'm satisfied overall. Yeah, thank you. That's it. Bye-bye.